Hello everyone. Today I will guide you how to connect an Ethernet cable to your Xfinity gateway. Start by turning on your Xfinity gateway. Make sure it is plugged into a power outlet and that the power button is pressed if your model has one. Wait a few minutes while the gateway boots up. Next, look at the back of it. You will see several Ethernet ports lined up next to each other. These ports are usually yellow or marked with numbers like 1, 2, 3, or 4. These are also called LAN ports, and any one of them can be used. Next, take your Ethernet cable and look at the ends. Gently push it into the port until you feel or hear a small click. This click means the cable is locked in place and secure. Now take the other end of the Ethernet cable and move to the device you want to connect. This could be a desktop computer, a laptop, a smart TV, or a gaming console. Find the Ethernet port on that device. It usually looks similar to the port on the router. Plug the cable in until it clicks, just like before. Once both ends of the cable are connected, your device should automatically recognize the wired internet connection. You may notice that a small light near the Ethernet port on the Xfinity gateway turns green or white. This light shows that the connection is active and working properly. That is all there is to it. Thanks for watching.